Hey, if you're on the hunt for a really cool looking but still a good quality pair of water shoes, check out these men's lightweight, quick drying water shoes by DLGJPA. My husband was gifted these from the brand so that we could help you with everything you want and need to know. And there's one thing that really sets these shoes apart from the other water shoes we've owned, so I also want to tell you about that. So for reference, these were very true to size for my husband, and these are the orange red option, but you have several other fun, vibrant colors to choose from. And you gotta love a shoe that's easy on, easy off, with the elastic all the way around here. So yeah, with the drawstring, you also have the ability to pull and tighten so you can obtain the comfort and fit that's just perfect for you. Yeah, so these have a really nice lightweight mesh design. They're really just a great aqua sporty look. And of course, underneath, these have a great design to give you a good traction walking on multiple different, types of terrains. These are great for swimming, walking on the sand, also walking on the wet concrete boat launch. So yeah, these water shoes just got thumbs up on everything we were needing. And one thing that set these apart for us is that these have that pull string option. I really think that is the trick to getting that good solid fit with the water shoe. So we could not be more pleased with the design, the comfort, and the quality of these water shoes, and we would definitely highly recommend this product.